Come decorate a heart cookie for Pride Month with me. This is the first time I've done this method before, but I was really looking forward to it. So we're going to start by pressure piping kind of just a blob of each of the colors. And again, we have 6 colors we're working with here, so you might want to be better than me and space them a little bit higher on the cookie, or start with that yellow or green in the middle, and then take a knife or a flat spatula, anything that can hit all of the colors at the same time, and spread it out. And I wish I had gone a little bit further over the very edge of the blob and spread it out. And then we're going to let that dry. So I would maybe do these first, set them aside, and come back to them when they've dried a little bit. And you're going to use your scribe, your toothpick, to carve a heart into these. And it doesn't have to be with them in the colors in a horizontal. You can do the heart at whatever angle makes sense for your colors. We're just really trying to get all of the rainbow into this direction. And as you're carving, just make sure as you move through the colors, you're wiping off your scribe so you're not getting the red into the purple or anything like that. And if you don't like how it's looking, here's what you can do. If you don't like it at all, scrape the icing off, start over. It's totally fine. But you can see this heart I wasn't super happy with, but I'm going to correct it with my white icing on top. So you're going to start by outlining the inside of your heart. The reason why you're doing the inside is because we don't want any of that extra kind of icing from scraggly edges of our icing when we dragged our scribe through it to be visible at the end of this. And you can see I wasn't even happy with how my heart looked to begin with, and now I have a weird like block top. How am I going to fix it? I'm just going to add a little blob there. It comes together. Just stay with me here. So then you're going to outline the edge of your cookie just like we do with 2 of the other cookies in this set, but almost every single cookie we decorate together, we're always outlining that edge. And I'm going to go over it 2, maybe 3 times, so I have a really solid edge of this cookie. And you can do the same thing with the heart. And all you're doing is you're just creating that outline for you to not have your icing overflow into. So you can see I'm just going over the heart. It doesn't need to be a solid line. You can see my icing breaks, and I'm just making sure that I'm going over everything, and that when my icing breaks, I have that extra icing falling from my piping bag, that it's going into the section that's going to be covered by white anyways. And if you're confused by what I mean, everything between the outside edge to the edge of that heart is going to be filled with that white icing. And I'm getting to the end of my icing bag, and I'm really lucky it didn't explode over to my heart and ruin my cookie, but it didn't. It all worked out in the end, and I'm just making sure to really put the pressure in my palm instead of necessarily my fingers, except for at the very end when I'm using my fingertips. And it doesn't have to be as smooth as when we're filling in the rest of the cookie. We can have some empty spaces and use our scribe, especially at like the top of the heart where we have that little point. We can use our scribe to push the icing around for us and get it where it needs to be. And we can still make sure we shake our cookie and everything levels out very nicely, so that we have that rainbow heart on the inside popping out, but we have a very smooth outside white base. And just using the scribe to spread everything out, you can still see ridges and edges in there, and those are going to be corrected when I shake this cookie. And if you're at the point where you're like, I am not liking the shape of my heart, you can move your icing around to get the shape how you want it to look like. And also, at the end of the day, it's a cookie. So if you really don't like it, just eat it and don't show it to anyone. That's totally fine. There's no right or wrong when it comes to cookie decorating. And there is our completed heart cookie, albeit it's a different one in the set. It's one of 4 cookies in the Pride Month set: a smiley face, a drag cookie, a heart cookie, and an icing transfer pride cookie. I hope you make these cookies to celebrate Pride Month and you share them with me, because I would love to see them.